Hey everybody, Tiny Flame Rob here with a quick video to talk about MP3 encoding and OGG encoding. So I've seen a couple people online wonder about this, and it's affected me, where you have an audio clip that you need to play and it needs to play seamlessly. So you add an audio clip to your scene in Unity and you check the play on awake and you check the loop, and then you play it. But for example, if we add this MP3 here and we play the scene, you'll notice that it doesn't play cleanly. Let me just close all this. So if we run to that audio source real quick, we can see here, if you listen carefully, you can hear there's like a gap every single time it's done playing. And the reason for that is the way that MP3s are encoded. So MP3s that are encoded using like the lame encoder will always have some padding at the start. Some MP3s I've found have some silence or added to the end of the MP3 padding as well, or the MP3 clip. So regardless of what you do or how well you cut the audio, when you export it in that file format, you'll always have like a dead padding before and sometimes after the MP3. And if you check the lame documentation, so this, for example, say you're exporting things using Audacity. Audacity uses lame to export into MP3 file format. And if you look at the documentation for lame, it says that it embeds an amount of padding in the ancillary data of the first frame of the MP3 file. Now, I've tried to go into more detail by reading the documentation, but to be honest with you, I'm not a sound guy, so this is all lost to me. But what I normally do now is I don't export to MP3 anymore. I just export to OGG or OGG. So if we do that, the audio will play fine. For example, this is the new sound I made, which is an OGG file format. So we'll put that in here. And now if we run there, you'll hear that it loops seamlessly. Just get up the stairs here. See, it loops seamlessly. So yeah, it might help someone else out there. I know some people have trouble with like seamless looping audio, so just make sure that your file format doesn't add padding before or after your audio clip. Okay, thanks. See ya.